Welcome to a new episode of Law Point. Last day, I have seen a video in the social media. In a school, the teacher is advising the students to slap on a Muslim child. The teacher is telling, beat that Muhammadian child. I was really shocked by seeing that video. The incident took place in UP, Muzaffarnagar. The name of the teacher is 𝗪𝗓𝗪𝗐𝗬𝗓. When the video became viral, the UP police has taken cognizance on that issue. The police has filed an FIR under sections 504 and 506. But unfortunately, there is no provision for arrest in these sections. So in this video, we will be discussing on the violations that child suffered. The Constitution of India, Article 15 says, there is no discrimination. But in this incident, the child is discriminated on the basis of his religion. The government says the corporal punishment is not legal. We know there are three types of corporal punishments: the physical corporal punishment, mental corporal punishment, and discriminatory corporal punishment. This child has suffered all these types of punishments in the classroom. Article 21 of the Constitution gives the right to life and personal dignity. The dignity of the child is violated in the classroom. Article 21A of the Constitution gives the fundamental right to education. If this child drops the school because of this incident, the child is suffering a mental trauma because of this incident. And because of that trauma, if the child and the parents of the child decide that we do not send our child to school, and his right to free and compulsory education will be violated. Who will be responsible for this violation? In the case 𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗡𝗚𝗓 versus State of Gujarat, the High Court said the state doesn't accept the corporal punishment. Right to Education Act, Section 17(1) prohibits the corporal punishment on a child. Section 8 and 9 says the government should ensure that no one should be discriminated. Section 75 of Juvenile Justice Act says about the punishments, the cruelty to child, for which the punishment is more severe. But the police has taken the cognizance, or police has filed the FIR on minor offences. When we analyze the history of the UP government, in these years, if an offence takes place, immediately the government runs the bulldozers on the houses of the person who is accused. But here we don't find anything like that. Here we see the government is very slow in taking action. Is it because the child belonging to a minority community? If the child becomes an antisocial in the future, who will be responsible for that? Can we blame that child for being antisocial in the future? The bitter experiences the child gets will make that child an antisocial. We pray that should not happen. I suggest that it's the duty of the government to look after that child. The government has to adopt that child as the son of the UP government. The government has to take care of the education. The government has to give the financial assistance for the education of that child, so that the trauma the child suffers will be reduced. Now we pray that in our country, such incidents should not happen again. We, the schools, the students must be taught to love each other. We should not cultivate the seeds of religion and caste in the minds of the students in the schools. Let the students, let the kids be free and friendly with everyone, irrespective of the religion, caste, and other things. So here I wind up, and let's meet in a new episode with a new legal topic. Thank you.